Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access htaccess file. And to do this, first of all, you need to go to your hosting provider. So for me, it would be DreamHost. And they have a little bit different cPanel than most of the hosting providers. So I'm just going to show you how to do this with DreamHost. And after that, I'm going to show you how to do this with a normal cPanel. So once you are on DreamHost and you click on your website, you're gonna go to Manage Files, and it will basically open up the file manager. It's the same as on cPanel. So on cPanel, you're gonna go to File Manager right there. And after that, you want to go to either your website right there or to the public HTML, which is right there. And then you can try and find that htaccess file. For me, it is right there. And I don't need to change any permissions for it to be shown because DreamHost shows everything and there are no hidden files. But on cPanel, there are sometimes hidden files. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on change permissions and click on show hidden files and save it. And after that, your htaccess file should appear on your file manager. So that's how you can access it. Sometimes there's also a htaccess file on Yoast SEO. So once you are here, you want to go to tools. But for me, it doesn't show it here. But basically right there, you're going to find a file editor. And once you click it, you will see a htaccess file there. So if this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.